Okay. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Johnny, you got the flag and the gun? Nice and relaxed. Yep, fraction. Flags up. Nice deep breathing. Yep. Fraction more. Nice and relaxed. You got the first stroke. In. Beautiful. Great stuff. Good call, Jane.
Give me 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And the catch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Level pegging. 3 of us. Going through the gate cans.
2.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great. 4. Send this boat. 5. 1, 2, 3. Half my length in front. 4, 5. Beautiful. Catches. Inside leg, nice and straight. Control the core. It's going to be a race home too. 1, 2, 3. Bums under. Bums under. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful rowing. Sharp catches. Positive split on the way home.
On the catch.
Good call, Todd. Little lumps here. And we're about 10 out. It's great stuff. Boy coming up. Ready? Now!
Come on.
Pick it up now. Let's go. Half.
Let's go.
Off your seats.
Up again.
2.
Here's a right corners.
Let's go now. Fantastic.
6, 5. 1,
Beautiful. Boat length in front. Let's go. We need it.
5.
1. Sharp catches. Inside leg. Going neck and neck with Scarborough. We need this gate. Hang on to it, Shane. Hang on to it, Mark. Still under our boat. Beautiful.
Here's one now, boys.
We're going now with it.
Left 1.
Lift.
2.
3.
3.
Scarborough got half a boat length on us. That's all. Go. We can do it now. Great. Fantastic. Here we go again.
Now.
1. Hit it. 2. 3.
6.
Run it now. 4. Hang on to the chain. That's great. Hang on, Mark. 5. Beautiful. 1. Still in the railboat. 2. 3. Let go down it. 4. 5. Here's our 42 stroke effort. Coming up to the gate cans. We're going in front now. 1. Go on it, Mark. Beautiful. Here we go. Go again. Lay back. Lay back. Lay back. Beautiful. Fantastic rowing. We're going neck and neck with Scarborough.
To the beach.
Go now. 1.
On now.
Short enough. 2.
2,
3.
3.
4. Here we go down it. Beautiful. Lay back on it. Lay back on it.
Go again.
Come on, take us over.
Go again.
Here's our water.
Go.
We need it. Let's go. 1.
1,
2.
2.
Right the way through. 3.
Drop it in short.
4.
Short.
Go hard.
Short.
5.
Short. That's it.
Well done. Great effort, guys. Oars across. Legs across. And out. Gutsy effort, boys. Well done. Top stuff. Thank you, that was beautiful. Beautiful work, mate. Well done. Great work, Shoney boy. Gave it everything you got. That's brilliant stuff. Top stuff. Yeah. That's my engine room, buddy. That's what I need. Fantastic. Dynamic, big fella. Well done.
Well swept.
Yeah. Yeah. You gave it everything you've got, and that's great. That's a great result. Great outcome. Sorry, mate. Yeah. Couldn't ask for more than that. Are there any more races? Are you guys in any? Oh, red? Eamon, just relax. Just relax. Nothing's going to phase you. Step it in. Just relax. No pressure. Don't think about it.
Yeah.
Your natural tendency will kick in. Just relax. You all right with that, Jeff? Yeah.